Hello, this is 360 degrees video, so you might consider setting your quality settings in video player to maximum level, and also you can rotate your device and to take a look around. This is the entrance of the Shinyashiki guest house, Shinyashiki guest house. So you have this Japanese style door here, and you have a place for your shoes and a mirror. This is the main hall. You can see that you have a dining table here in front of me, you have a TV set. You have also, to the right is kitchen. Here in the kitchen you have this hot water supply and bathroom control panel, and you have a stove. You have small oven for how do you call it, fish. Yeah, we also have microwave here and rice cooker. I can tell you what kind of trash is in Kumamoto. So burnable plastics going here, plastics bottles PET in another package, and bottles and cans in different one. So only three kind of garbage. That's very good, because usually you can have a lot of them. Now from here we can see entrance on the second floor. Here is a closet for wardrobe, let's say. Here we have a washing machine and bathroom. It's pretty standard bathroom. Maybe the bath itself wider than usual, but everything else is pretty the same. And usually you have this air dehumidifier or dryer, air dryer maybe. That's interesting. There is another. Okay, so this is toilet from another side. Yeah. Something is going on. Okay, so it's tatami room. It's traditional Japanese room. And the very interesting thing, tatami rooms have this bottom window, and this window is opened to the garden. I don't know why they need this. Maybe it gives you like a cool air going inside of the house. Or maybe someone, when you have this ceremony, yeah, woodwork is perfect here. When you have this tea ceremony, all required ingredients were given here by your, not slaves, but maybe slaves. People who actually were not the owners of the house, but some kind of people who live with owners and service them Here we have manga, a lot of manga, and you can read the manga and enjoy it. Usually in this place it's a kind of secret guard of the house, you know, different kind of things can happen here. And the dead relatives also can be, you know, photos can be put here with smoking, no, how to put it, you know, these smelly things that they burn. So we're going to the second floor and I see more manga. Okay, there is 2 rooms. This is a toilet for the second floor. Pretty the same as on the first floor. So this is stuff of the stuff. So let's take a look. Oh, you have a huge wardrobe, like huge one. In Japanese houses it's unusual. And you have 4 beds. And this is mine on the right. Let's see, we don't have any view. Yeah, only one thing has view. It's a balcony. Usually you have a net also. And for that house you also have this thing to close. Metal guards for the windows. It's a front of the door, like small Japanese garden, and you can see a city outside. So it's house in the residential area near the shrine. So to the right you can maybe see a shrine. So there is another room, hidden room. I will not go there, but yeah, it's a small room for the staff. If it will be a livable house, there will be a lot of packages there, but it's not. And that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.